This video is going to go over how to find a call number in our online catalog. So we're going to start here at Quincy University on our home page, and we're going to go under Academics, and you're going to look for Brenner Library. Once you're on there, you just scroll down a little, and this is where you put your search, whatever you want to search. I'm going to use Mark Twain. There is a renew button here, so if you just need to renew your material, you'll click that. Once I go to search, it opens in a new window. And the first thing you'll notice is this yellow bar, and it wants me to sign in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now and then you can't get to certain material unless you are signed in. So I suggest you go ahead and sign in. And this is going to authenticate with your QU email and password. I'm already logged into my email on this browser, so it is going to let me go on through. All right, when you land on this page, this is our query, and you can save this query. I wouldn't right now because it's 901. It's a little too many to go through, so we're going to want to narrow our search. Because we're looking for a book in the library, we're going to go ahead and do held by library. That means it's on our shelves. And we're going to scroll down here to the bottom and apply the filter. The filters come up to the top, and you can notice you can X out of them at any time. All right, now we're at 316 for our results. That's still a little bit much. You can go by subject, author. The cool thing about a subject is if a professor is giving you a broad subject and you're trying to narrow it down and you want to find books on our shelves, you can open this up and select just one of them with so many. Like this is humorous stories of stories in America. Now that would be for Mark Twain. You'd have 22 books to choose from. That's a way to narrow a subject and still have books on our shelves. I also like creation date. For the creation date, most of the time you want something newer. In this case, you might want something, the oldest that you can get. So I'm going to switch the newer date to be 1890. And then I'm going to refine. Once I hit that refine button, it's also another one of your filters up here that you can X out of. Now I only have 15. That's not bad. That's not bad to go through. This first one, though, there are 11 versions of it. And even though we said held by our library, you'll notice a lot of these are online. What you're looking for to find on our shelf is when it says Brenner Library Main Library Collection, and it has a call number in the parentheses. This is the number that you use to find the book on our shelves. And in a later video, I'm going to go over where you would find it in the library. So you can see several of these books are on our shelves, and you can see the date that they're created. Because they're about a topic that's older, even though they have a newer creation date, they're on here. This last one was created in 1885, and you can see it's in the special and rare collection. And you will just have to ask the librarian to see it. You won't be able to check it out, but you can see it. And make sure you realize that a lot of times there's more than one page, so you can go to another page. So again, if this is not enough for you, maybe 11 results is not enough, and you're thinking, I want to broaden my search. If you look through everything that we have and you cannot find anything on your topic, what you can do is come up here right now. Library catalog means Brenner Library Catalog. We're going to drop this down, and we're going to go with all iShare libraries. iShare libraries are all the libraries in Illinois that belong to our consortium. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and this will broaden our search. So now we're getting bigger. We'll see how many we have. Now we have 6,230 results. So that's quite a bit more. If there's one of them that you like that you want to save, you can save this entire query, like I said before, or you can save just maybe 1. So if you wanted to save this book to come back for later, because you're logged in, you're able to do this. I'm going to click the pin. It gives me a little graphics, and you notice I'm logged in because my name's up here. And if I click on that, for some reason it doesn't always come right away. There it is. There's the book that I pinned. You can unpin it at any time, remove it. And what's also nice on here is search history. So if you accidentally logged off and you're trying to get back to it, you can come back here and come back to your search history. So this one is the iShare one. Let's go back to the Mark Twain one. All right, now we're back to our 15. Okay. So if you do not know how to find a call number in the library, make sure you ask a librarian or a student worker. We're more than willing to help you find it on the shelf. I'll be doing another video on how to find a book on the shelf with a call number. Thank you.